Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the glances on this device. Basically something like widgets. First, let me show you how to access the glances. To access the glances on your watch, simply make sure you're on the home screen, the current watch face, and then press the up or down buttons to open the glances menu. And we can customize this menu. On it we have basically different widgets, shortcuts like weather, heart rate and stuff like that. And to customize this menu, we need to go back to watch face home screen, then press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu, then scroll down through the menu, find the option called appearance, select it and press the start/stop button. And here we need to select the glances, press the start/stop, and now we will have the list of options and we can do a couple of things here. We can add new glance, we can remove a glance, and we can reorder them on the list. To add the new glance, simply scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see this add button. Select it, press the start/stop, and then you can select one of the glances right here from the list. For example, let's select compass and press the start/stop to add it. You can add multiple if you want, but we're just gonna stop at the two, compass and calories. So now we have two more glances. We can also remove the glances, and to remove the glance, simply find one you want to remove, for example calendar, select it, press the start/stop, and then press the start/stop because we have the pen icon right here to remove it, like this, quite simple. And to reorder the glances on the list, select the glance you want to move, for example compass, press the start/stop, and then move it through the list, get it to the place you want it to be, then press the start/stop to confirm. Okay, so we removed the glance, we added the glances, and we moved them through the list. So when we open the glances menu, here we have the calories, here we have the compass, and the other one is gone. You can also do it quicker by opening the glances normally, then pressing and holding the up/menu button, and this will open the this context menu. And if you select some glance, for example calories, press and hold this up/menu, you can reorder the glance, you can remove it here, you can add new glance, and you can create a folder. If you select reorder, basically you will be able to reorder the glance, move it through the list. If you select remove, you will remove it from the list, and if you select add a glance, you will be able to add new glance, basically, like this. Okay, and that's how you customize the glances on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.